Alright, so today I'm gonna be doing unboxing and testing of the Hollyland Lark M2 microphone setup for USB-C phones. This is one product that I definitely need for my channel. Not for this one, for the other one. This is only for the review for everybody who is interested. So let's unbox it and see how this works. There will be some sounds from the background that you're gonna hear because I have a cat around that is making noise, and also the balcony is opened, and this is all on purpose so you can see the difference. Currently I'm recording on Samsung Galaxy S23, and then I'm gonna be comparing this with the Lark M2 microphone setup to see what the difference is. As I reviewed on other channels, these are really high quality microphones, so we will see how this goes. Okay. Right, these are the instructions. This is a very nice package. What else? Okay, nice pouch. In the pouch there is a charging cable, USB-C, and these are the windproof things that you put on the microphone. There should be two of these. Yep, there's the other one. Okay. There's something else. This is the wrist. No, the neck strap. Okay, the cat is going crazy, making a lot of noise. These are the magnets. Okay. Interesting. So you put this on your neck, and it's like a necklace, and then you clip this with the magnet. Right, so this is what's interesting inside. Here's the charging port. Here's how you open it. Everything is brand new, sealed. As soon as I take this out, I can see how much charge they have. Okay, the magnet's already working. And this is very cute and little. That's why I chose this brand, because the receiver is very small, so it just plugs in the phone in the USB port, and it doesn't take so much space like other brands. They have like huge receivers. Okay, so how do I know if this is on? Let's see. Long press. I can see a blue color, blue LED. It's gonna be trying to pair, and this should be a magnet as well. Yes. Okay, you put this under the shirt and then you clip it. That's fine. This is working. Well, how about this one? Yep, blinking. And yeah, this is the microphone itself. This is the charging. Let's get rid of these guys. Okay, so they didn't actually charge. I have to put them back so they charge. Okay, amber color for charging. And the second one, and this is also magnetic. Nothing falls out. So far so good. Now I'm gonna connect this to a phone and we will see how this works. Alright, so as soon as I plug the receiver into the USB port of the phone, the two LEDs blinked for a second and then they got paired. So now it should be, the sound should be coming from these microphones. If I bring this to my mouth, you should be able to hear. Now it's far away, now it's close, now it's far away. So that's it. If I touch, there should be some kind of interference, and this is the second one. Yeah, that should be loud actually. And again, testing close to my mouth and away. And now stereo sound, maybe not. I don't know if this is gonna be stereo or it's gonna be one line. Anyway, that's it for the test so far. I'm gonna put it on my shirt and make some other testing. Okay, now I'm using the microphone over here, and this is how it sounds. I don't know about the other one, if the other one is still, well, it should be active. What's gonna happen if I bring it over here as well? Is it 2 times so loud? And I'm gonna put this away and just speak with this one. Now there's a little bit of sound, a little bit of noise, as we heard before. And interesting what's gonna be on the microphone itself. Do you hear the background Do you hear the background noise? Do you hear it? Yes? No? Okay. How does it look? It's very compact, discreet. It looks good to me. Okay, so I just installed the app from Google Play for this device, this microphone setup, and by default there is no noise cancelling activated. This is without, and the volume is at 5, so the scale is from 1 to 6. Currently it's 5. I think 5 is quite loud. I'm gonna turn it down later on, but now it's just without any noise cancelling. Let me turn it on. Now it's on the weak setting of the noise cancelling. I think this should be working fine. There's a little bit of background noise coming from outside. Let's hear now, switching to the strong one. Alright, now I have switched to the strong noise cancelling, and there should be almost no background noise coming into the recording, hopefully. And how clear is the voice? That's interesting to know as well. So that's gonna be it. Initial review, unpacking, unboxing, and initial testing. So far, I don't know. I have to check the quality, if it's okay, if it's fine. It should be, otherwise I will do some further adjustments. Okay, so this is using one of the microphones, because using the two, there could be some interference coming from the one that was staying before over there, like this. So I put it away, and I'm using the high noise cancelling setting, the strong one. And I'm interested to see how this, or to hear how this works, if the quality is good. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening.